everybody, I'm Jacob from Status Update, and this is my app drawer app of the week. It's called Pano. It is a panoramic photo taker. It is available on Android, iOS, and Windows 7, so you can get it in all those marketplaces. And it is a fantastic application for taking panoramic photos, if that's what you're into. So I love taking panoramic photos of sceneries and whatnot. And so every time I'm somewhere that's really cool looking, I like to take panoramic photos. My phone here, this Motorola Droid Bionic, has panoramic photo functionality built in, but it's really terrible. And Pano, for only $3.06 on Android, is a fantastic app to fix that functionality. So let me give you an idea how it works here. It's real simple. This is your basic interface. As you can see, this is your camera. See, there's the stuff in front of me. That's what's going on. And it says up there, oops, if it doesn't, there we go. It says up there, take the first photo to begin, photo number 1. It can take up to 16 photos and stitch them together. The one I'm about to take is going to be number 1. Over here are your simple options, which are to rotate it. That button down there will rotate it from what I have right now, which is landscape, into portrait, or vice versa. That button takes the photo. That button tells the software, hey, I'm done taking photos. So let me take my first photo. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm just going to take a photo of the back of my laptop. And you can see it's working. It's taking a photo. Boom, done. So now it's going to say, hey, time to take the next photo, photo number 2. Look at what it did though. If you can kind of see, and I'll put my hand in front of it so you can see a little bit. The left side of that screen there, that is the right third of the first photo. So now what I can do is when I take the next photo, I can go in here and I can line up the edge of that photo, and it's going to be hard because I'm looking at the camera and the angle and everything, but I can line up that photo in there, and then I can make sure it doesn't turn off, and then I can hit the take button, and it's going to take the photo, and boom, now it's going to show me once again. There's the edge, the right 1/3 of the other photo, so I can come in here and I can line it up, and that looks about right. Let me make sure my finger's in the right place, because I can't see, and there we go. It's going to take the photo, and then there's that. Now it's going to say take photo 4. I'm done taking photos though. That 3's enough, so I'm going to hit that button, and it's going to start, if I can actually hit it, there we go, and that should, it actually might require 4 photos. So let's try taking one more photo, shall we? And I know this is going to be out of view for many of you, so just bear with me. And this photo is probably actually going to be really terrible because I haven't actually been taking very good photos. But now we'll just hit that button, and that is should theoretically stitch together. Oh, I'm sorry. But the problem was down here it pulls up these. Make my pano now, resume shooting. So you don't need to take 4 photos. I was just spaced out. So now I'm going to say make my pano now, and now it's going to say merging. So now it's going to spit out the photo, and what it does here is it stitches together photos like any other panoramic photo taker. And the idea behind a panoramic photo is it doesn't look like it's stitched together. That really provides for the best panoramic photos. And if you do it manually, that can be difficult and time consuming. If you use a poor stitching algorithm, that can be really just terrible. This does a pretty good job. After it's done merging, it's going to show me the photo, and it's going to save it in my default gallery. So I don't have to go find it, I don't have to hunt it down, it's just going to be there. So that's what it looks like, and I have to say, considering the fact that I didn't really pay much attention and didn't do a very good job of doing it, considering, you know, I was behind the camera here, I think it actually looks pretty good. I mean, that's a pretty good depiction of what this studio looks like in here, and it's really simple. And so I can say take another, or I can Pano tips, or I can share it. So I could click share, and it's going to say, hey, you want to put Bluetooth, you can share it in all your different applications, Facebook, whatever, right within the Pano interface. It actually stitches together if you, and actually let me show you one of the ones I did earlier just so I can give you an idea, because I know that one wasn't a very good good job, and that was on my behalf, not on the application's behalf. So I'll open up my gallery here and take a look at one that I took earlier, and as you can see it's kind of small, but I'll zoom it in here. But you know, that's my living room, and that's my roommate, and so as you can see, that's the panoramic photo, and it actually is very good. I mean, it's stitched together very nicely. If you see it, it's a really consistent, well put together photo that doesn't look like a panoramic, and that's really what makes the best panoramic photos, are the ones that don't look panoramic, or that don't look stitched together rather. So there it is. It's called Pano, P-A-N-O. It is $3.06, available in the Android market. It's also available in the Apple App Store for iOS, and it's also available in the Windows market for Windows 7 and at Debacle Software, I believe, is the company. Debaclesoftware.com. I should check that. Debacle Labs, maybe. But search Google for Pano, and you'll certainly find it.